Okay. So I'm back, learning some more math. So I've already gone through place value for operations. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I did the order of operations and doing some word problems. So now I'm on section 1.5, special numbers. So the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called whole numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. They are also called counting numbers or positive whole numbers. The numbers -2, -3, -2, -1, and 0, 1, 2, 3 are called integers. These are the positive and negative whole numbers together with 0. The natural numbers can be split into even and odd numbers. An even number is one into which 2 divides exactly. The first 6 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. You can tell whether a number is even by looking at its last digit. If the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, then the number is even. The last digit in the number 784 is 4, so 784, or 784, is even. An odd number is one in which 2 does not divide exactly. That is, it is a natural number which is not even. The first 6 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. You can tell whether a number is odd by looking at its last digit. If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, then the number is odd. In other words, if the last digit is odd, then the number is odd. The last digit in the number 837 is odd, so 837 is odd. Should I get this closer? There we go. A square number is a natural number multiplied by itself. It is something called a perfect square, or simply a square, and it can be shown as a square of dots. The first 4 square numbers are 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, and 4 times 4, 16. Okay. To get a square number, you multiply a whole number by itself. So the 5th square number is 5 times 5, which is 25. A triangle number can be illustrated as a triangle of dots. The first 4 triangle numbers are 1, 3, 6, and 10. Okay? Each triangle number is obtained from the previous one by adding one more row of dots down the diagonal. The 5th triangle number is found by adding 5 to the 4th triangle number. So the 5th triangle number is 15. Okay. A rectangle number. A rectangle number can be shown as a rectangle of dots. A single dot or a line of dots is not regarded as a rectangle. Figure 1.3 shows the rectangle number 12, illustrated in 2 ways. Okay. A cube number can be shown as a cube of dots. The first 3 cube numbers are 1, 8, and 27, which can be written 1 times 1 times 1, or 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, etc. To get a cube number, you multiply a whole number by itself and then by itself again. So the 4th cube number is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Okay. Exercise 1.5. 1.5. From the list 34, 67, so 34, 67, 112, 568, 741, and 4,366. We need A, all the even numbers, and then B, all the odd numbers. So all the even numbers are 34, 112, 568, and 4,366. So which means the odd numbers are 67 and 741. Yes? Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. So that was 1. That was question 1. Question 2. Write down the first 10 square numbers. So it'd be like 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, yes? 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, and 10 times 10. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is, what is 8 times 8? 9 times 9 is 81, 10 times 10 is 100. What's 8 times 8? 64, I think? I don't know. I think that's right. I think that's right. Okay. So then 3, write down the first 10 triangle numbers. Oh my God. Well, obviously the first 4 right here. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, plus 6, right? Because you just keep adding one more. So plus 6 is 21, and then plus 7 is 28, plus 8 is what? 36? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so 2 more. So plus 9. 36 plus 9 would be 45. And then one more, plus 10 is 55. Yeah? I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Number 4, write down the first rectangle numbers. Oh no. A single dot or line. Am I gonna have to draw this? I'm gonna have to draw this. I'm gonna get a scrap piece of paper. I'll be right back. So, rectangle number. Let's just draw some lines because it has to be a single dot or a line of dots. So it has to be at least 2 tall, right? So is the first one 6? Okay. 8. 12. Oh my God, is this just plus 4 each time? Plus 2, plus 4. Is it gonna be plus 6? Oh, that's a square. So I have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So is it 20? Oh my God, I'm gonna look it up. I don't think I'm getting this right. So this is question 4. What? 4? This is the answer. So it's 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. Oh, how is that not a square? And then 6. And then 8. That's 9. How is 8 a rectangle? Oh, because it's longwise, of course. Okay, and then 9. And then 10. I mean, isn't every 12 and 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 15. So 3 of 5. And then 16, which would be 4 fours, right? Or 8 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 18 would be 3 of 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or it could be 9 twos. Write down the first 10 rectangle numbers. Then write down the first 10 cube numbers. Okay, that would be easier too because that's 1 times 5. So I'm just going to write these down for now because I don't understand this at all. Oops, I missed 1. 15, 16, 18. Okay, so 5. Write down the first 10 cube numbers. So that'd be 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times 4 times 4, 5 times 5 times 5, 6 times 6 times 6, 7 times 7 times 7, 8 times 8 times 8, 9 times 9 times 9, and 10 times 10 times 10. So 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 times 2, which would be 4 times 2, which is 8. 9 times 3 is 27. 16 times 4 is what? What's 16 times 4? Again, 16 times 4 would be 24. 64. 5 times 5 times 5. So 125. 6 times 6 times 6. So it'd be 36 times 6 is what? 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 216. 49 times 7 is what? 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 4 is 24. Plus 6 is 30. So 303. 8 times 8 times 8 would be 64 times 8. 8 times 4 is what? 32. 6 times 8 is, what is 6 times 8? Oh my God. I need to start memorizing mine. What is 8 times 6? I'm totally drawing a blank. 48, 42, 40 something. Okay, so 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 40. Oh my God. 36 plus 6 is 42. Plus 6 is 48. Oh my God. 48, 49, 50, 51. So 5, 12. 9 times 9 times 1. 89. 81 times 9 is 9 times 8 is 72. 729. 100 times 100 is 100 times 100 is 1,000. Times 10. 1,000 times 10. Okay, so number 6. From the list of numbers 20, 25, 28, 33, 36, and 37, write down A, all the square numbers, B, all of the triangle numbers, and C, all the rectangle numbers. Okay, so square numbers. I have them all here. So 25 is yes. 28 is no. 33 is no. 36 is yes. 37 is no. Triangle numbers. The triangle numbers are here, right? Yes. So, 28, 36, and then all of the rectangle numbers. Oh no. What's the pattern here? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Oh my God, okay, that's not a pattern. I'm gonna go with 20. Not 25. Oh, but 25 is a square, and they keep saying squares are rectangles. No, 25. 28? Is 28? Would 28 be one? How can you do 28? 28 divided by 2, right? 28 divided by 2. You can do that. So I'm going to put 28. 33. I think you can do that. 36. Yes. 37. I'm going to go with no. I'm just vibing. I'm just going on vibes. Okay. Number 7. The difference between a consecutive square number is always the same type of number. What type of number is it? The difference between consecutive square numbers is always the same type of number. So this is plus 3, this is plus 5, this is plus 7, right? So they're all odd. I'm gonna go with odd. They're all odd numbers. Again, vibes. Okay, question number 8. The sum of the first two triangle numbers is 4 equals, what? The sum of the first two triangle numbers is 4. 1 plus 3. Okay, the first, here's the triangles, right? Right, these are the questions. So this is square, and this is triangle, and then this is rectangle, and then this is cube. This is cubes. Here. Okay. So the sum of the first two triangle numbers is 4. It's triangle number, so 1 plus 3. Okay, find the sums of 3 more pairs of consecutive triangle numbers. Okay, so 3 and 6 is 9. Okay, and then 6 and 10 is 16. Okay, and then 10 plus 15 equals 25. Oh my God, they're turning into squares. And then 15 plus 21, is that going to be 36? I bet you it is. What do you notice about these numbers? They are square numbers. Oh, math is crazy. Okay, number 9. So number 9. Find the sums of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. Suck her up, you can see. So, find the sum of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. First 2, 3, 4, 5, and find the sums of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. What do you notice about these answers? Okay, so 1 plus 8 equals 9. Okay, and then 8 plus 27 equals what? Is 35? No? Yes. Okay, and then am I supposed to be noticing something already? Okay. And then, oh, I should probably double check that these are actually right for the cubes and the 827, 125, yes. 216, 303. Oh, 343. 512, 729, and 1000. Yes. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. Oh, those ones I just copied. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, and 55. Perfect. Okay, so that's the first 2, 3, and 4. I don't know how much more I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so then 27 plus 64 equals 91. Okay. And then I'm not noticing a pattern yet. And then 64 plus 125 equals 181. Then 125 plus 216 equals what? 341. Am I supposed to do like 1 plus 8 and then like 1 plus 27? No, the sums of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. Maybe I'm just not getting the question. What do I notice? I don't notice any pattern, I'm sorry. Number 10. Write down a rectangle number other than 12 for which there are 2 different patterns of dots. Draw the pattern. This one I could do. For example, 16, 16, you can draw it 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4, or you can do it 2 by 8. Right? Okay, and that's A. And then B, write down a rectangle number for which there are 3 different patterns. 3 different patterns of dots. Ooh. Okay. So I need something. Would 18 work? Would 18 work? How many ways can you draw 18? Because you can do 3 by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can do 2 by 9. Is there a different way? No. It can't be 18. So what's the next one up? I don't even know what the pattern is, though. I don't know. I don't understand rectangular numbers. Let's look at the back. Let's look up the answer. I think I'm gonna have to do some more research on rectangular numbers because I don't get them. Okay. Yeah, 7 was odd. I was right. So 3 plus, so I'm 1, 6. So let's do 25 and 36. Correct. 28 and 36. Correct. 20, 25, 28, 33, 36. Correct. They're all odd. Yes. They are all square numbers. Correct. 16. So 10. Where's 9? 9. Oh, because did I write down these wrong? What the heck? Okay, number 5. 1, 8, 27, 64. Yes. 125. Oh my God. I don't know if how did I get this wrong? Find the sums of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. Find the sums of the first 2, 3. How is 16 the next one? How is, oh wait, I'm looking through my part. 9, 36. Where did we get 36 from? What's 8 plus 27? 27 plus 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 35. But they're saying it's 36. How do we get 36? The sums of the first 2, 3, 4, and 5 cube numbers. Oh, am I supposed to plus 1? Because it's supposed to be like 1 plus 8, and then 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 8 plus 1? Because that's still not 100. Okay. Okay, the first 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. That can't be right. So it'd be 9 plus 27 is 36. 36 plus 64. Oh, that's 100. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it now. So then we add one more, right? Oops. 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 is 225, right? Is that the correct answer? Yes, and they're square numbers. Yes, they are. Okay. So 10A, 16 is great. 24, 36, 24, and 36. Is it because they have 3 multiples, right? Oh my God, my head hurts, guys. This is hard. That was really hard. My brain still doesn't get it. I still don't get it. Okay, multiples, factors, and primes. Figure 1.5 shows the first 5 numbers in the 8 times table. The numbers on the right, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, are called multiples of 8. Notice that 8 itself, which is 1 times 8 or 8 times 1, is a multiple of 8. The factors of a number are the numbers which divide exactly into it. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Notice that 1 is a factor of every number and that every number is a factor of itself. Okay, example 1. Write down the factors of 12. So 12 factors are what can divide into it. So 12 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Spotlight. It is easy to find all the factors of a number by looking for pairs of numbers that multiply to give that number. For example, 1 times 18 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The number 11 has only 2 factors and is an example of a prime number. A prime number, sometimes called a prime, is a number greater than 1 which has exactly 2 factors, itself and 1. Thus, the first 8 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. 2 is the only prime number. Sorry, 2 is the only even prime number. Is 1 a prime number? The number 1 has only one factor, itself, and so it is not a prime number, since the definition states that a prime number must have 2 factors. So then what is 1? Oh, I don't know. Exercise 1.6. Write down first 5 multiples of 7. So 1. The first 5 of 7 would be 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. Okay. Number 2. A, write down the first 10 multiples of 5. So that would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. No. 10, 50. Okay. How can you tell that 675 is also a multiple of 5? Because 675 ends in 5. Ends in 5 or ends with a 5. Number 3. Write down all the factors. Factors are things that go into of 20. So obviously 1 is 1. 2 times 10. So there's 2 times 10. And there's 20. Does 3 times something equals 20? No. Does 4? Yes. 4 times 5. So I think that's it. So it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Okay, 4. Find the sum of the factors of 28 apart from 28 itself. So let's write down the factors first. So 1 and 28, right? There's 2, yes, 2 and 14. 3 goes into 28. Does 3 go into 28? I don't think so. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27, so it does not. 4, yes, 4 and 7. 5, no. 6, no, right? Because 6 times 3 is 18. 24, no. So those are all of the... So find the sum of the factors of 28, but not 28. So then I would do 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, right? Is that what it's asking me? Find the sum of the factors of 28 apart from 28 itself, okay? So that's 7 plus 7 is 21, plus 14 is 35. Comment on my answer. Good job, 35. I don't know, what do I put there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 7. It's 5 times 7. Oh my god. Something to do with 7 times 5, I think. Something to do with being a multiple of 7. Okay. Number 5. Write down all the factors of 23. So it would be 1 and 23, I think. Right? Because I don't think anything else. So let's do 6. The number 4 has 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. Find 5 more numbers, each of which has an odd number of factors. Okay. What should we write down already? I'm like, think of a number. Okay. And write down, find 5 more numbers, each of which have an odd number of factors. Factors. So let's do 49. I just totally pulled that up. 49 would be 1 and 49. It would be 7 and 7. Oh, that's still one. That's an odd. That's even. I need odd number. 6, because it has 1 and 6. It has 2 and 3. Okay, so it can't be that. 5 is just 1 and 5. 7, no. 8, it's 1 and 8 and 2 and 4, no. 9, 1, 3. Oh, 9. 1, 3, and 9. Oh, are they all squares? I bet you they're all squares. What's the next square? 4 times 4, 16. No. Maybe 16, so it'd be 1 and 16. 1 and 16. And then 2 and 8. And then 4 and 4. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they are squares. Squares. Oh. So then in theory, the next one is 25. Yes, it would be the squares. 36. They are all square numbers. That's A. B. They are all square numbers. But what does that mean? Does that mean anything? I don't know. I don't know if it means anything. This pencil sharpener is not working on this. Which pencils? Okay, 7. Write down the 4 prime numbers between 20 and 40. What's a prime number? Prime number, because you only do 1 times itself to make up. Okay, so between 20 and 40. Between 20 and 40. What are the other prime numbers? 21? No. 22? No. 23? Yes. 24? No. 25? No. 26? What times what equals 26? Oh my god, my brain is hurting. 26. It'll be 2 and 13. Okay, so 26, 27, no. 28, no. 29, 29. 30, no. 31, 31. 32, 33. Oh wait, 32? 32 divided by 2 has to be something. Okay, so 33, no. 34. 34? What's 34 divided by 2? 13. So 35, no. 36, no. 37. 38. No, 39. No, that's divided by 3, right? Yeah, so I think those are them. Well, I'll just have to find out later. Should check. Okay, 1.6. Let's do up here. See if I'm on the right track. So answer 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Yes. Boom, 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 boom. A. Yes, and that all ends in 5. Yes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Perfect. I don't even remember what this question was asking me. Write down the factors of 20. There we go. 4, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 equals 28. Oh, I can math good. Same as the original number. Okay. 1 and 23, correct. 6, 9, 16, 25, 36. They are square numbers. Boom. And then 23, 29, 31, 37. Perfect. Right. So then 8. 2 is the only even prime number. Explain why there cannot be any others, because then they all have factors of 2. Because all other evens numbers have a factor of 2. 9. Write down the largest number, which is a factor of 20 and is also a factor of 30. 5? Ten. Yeah, 10. Write down the smallest number, which is a multiple of 6 and is also a multiple of 8. 2? Right, multiples? Oh, not a factor. Okay, multiple of 8 and 6. 40? Okay, so 8 times 8. God. What are the multiples of 8? And then which is the 6 divided by 6? So 80 divided by 6 now. 72 divided by 6. Can 72 divided by 6? I think so. 72 divided by 6 is 6 goes into 7 once, which is 1. Bring down the 2, 12. So I think it's 72. Write down the largest number. Write down the smallest number. Oh, it's the other way around. Okay, so it would be 24. 11. Write down the factors of 30, which are also prime numbers. These are called the prime factors of 30. So the factor of 30 is what goes into 30, which would be 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 4, no, 5, and 6. So then write down the prime, where am I? 11. Write down the factors of 30, which are also prime numbers. So which of these are prime numbers? So 2, 3, 5. That's it. That's it. Okay. 12. Write down the prime factors of 35. So it would be 1 and 35. Not 2, 3 times 15, right? No. Can 35 divide by 3? 35 divided by 3. So 1 times. There, no, can't be 3. 4, 5, it's 5 and 7. 8. No. 9. No. So 1, 5, and 7. 13. The prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Find another number which has 2 and 3 as its only prime factors. Find another number which has 2 and 3 as its only prime factors. Oh my god, so it has to be able to divide by 2 and 3. Right? Find another number which has 2 and 3 as its only prime factors. Oh, it has to be divided by 2 and 3 and some other things as well. So it has to be smaller than 30. So what if we do... So let's look at 3s. So it'd be 3, 6, 9, 12, maybe 12. I think 12. No, 12. Key ideas. Oh, I think this is... Let's check my answers. Okay. 1.6. 7, I did all these, right? Okay. 7, 23, 29, 31, 37. Yes. Because all other evens have a factor of 2. Yes. Number 10, number 9, 10. Yes. 10, 24. Yes. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Excellent. 12, 5, and 7. Okay, we're not counting one. So 5 and 7. Yes. E.g. 12. You can't see it, but I did it. 12. Perfect. Okay. So, finishing up this chapter. Key ideas. The decimal system uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum means the result of adding 2 or more numbers together. Difference means the result of subtracting a smaller number from a larger one. Product means the result of multiplying 2 or more numbers together. Quotient means the whole number resulting from the division of two numbers, i.e. when 14 is divided by 3, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 2. The order operation should be performed in can be remembered using the mnemonic BIDNES, which stands for brackets. We can work out the brackets first, and then divide and multiply, and then add and subtract. Natural numbers or counting numbers or positive whole numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Integers are numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Even numbers are exactly divisible by 2 and are the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Odd numbers are not exactly divided by 2 and are the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Square numbers are the result of multiplying a natural number by itself. They include the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16. Triangle numbers can be shown as a triangle of dots. They include the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, etc. Rectangle numbers are any number that can be shown as a rectangle of dots. Cube numbers can be shown as a cube of dots. The first 3 cube numbers are 1, 8, 27. The multiples of a number are the answer to that number's times table. So the times of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. The factor of a number is any number which divides exactly into that number. Every number has 1 as itself and itself as factors. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Prime numbers are numbers with exactly 2 factors. The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Thank you for doing chapter 1 with me. Next, I will be doing angles.